Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Honda Civic's front hood, step by step. First, you'll need to find the primary hood release lever inside your car. It's usually located on the driver's side, either near the door sill or tucked away under the dashboard. Once you've found it, give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop sound from the front of your vehicle, indicating the hood has partially unlatched. Now that you've pulled the interior lever, head to the front of your Honda Civic. The hood will be slightly ajar, but it's still held by a secondary safety latch. Carefully reach your hand into the gap under the hood's front edge. You'll need to feel around for a small lever or tab. This secondary latch is a crucial safety feature, preventing the hood from flying open unexpectedly while driving. Once you've located the secondary latch, either push it up or pull it to the side, depending on your specific Civic model. This action will completely release the hood. With the latch disengaged, gently lift the hood upwards using both hands for better control and stability. You'll then need to find the prop rod, which is typically clipped into place on the underside of the hood itself, or sometimes near the engine bay. Take the prop rod and firmly insert its end into the designated hole or slot within the engine bay. This hole is specifically designed to hold the hood securely in an open position, allowing you safe access to the engine compartment. Before you begin any work, give the hood a gentle nudge to confirm it's stable and won't accidentally fall. When you're finished, simply reverse these steps to close the hood safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.